Okay, because right now it's only the question that somebody, the leader from Bangladesh, was killed. So, and even from Bangladesh, I don't know what's going on. So I don't think that conclusion can be reached where leading to the, to the investigation of CBI or this stuff. See, the dead body can be handed over because see, the sample has been collected. So the sample has been collected. So now it is the duty of the Directorate of Forensic to do the further investigation or the test. But once the formalities is completed, the dead body can be handed over at any time. Since the dead body was found within, I think, 1.2, 1.3 kilometers within Indian territory, meaning, you understand, if he does not cross illegally, means how could it be that the dead body was there? One, and number two, or maybe somebody killed him. You don't know. Then ultimately they dump the dead body. Maybe they cross to India territory. So these are the issues where we are yet to really ascertain what's happening. SF authority, they keep us informing, they keep us updating about the issue, and because I think you must have seen it in the newspaper. They said even he carried a lot of money or something. But as per the statement, as per the physical possession made by the state police along with the BSF, they did not find anything like it came out in the newspaper. So the dead body is right now in the district headquarters of East Jaitia Hills at Cleria, and we have informed the higher authority and also the High Commissioner of Bangladesh and the High Commissioner of India, both the countries, and now we are waiting from the Home Ministry what steps is to be taken next.